Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today's video I'm going to do a root touch up of the red hair. So I have that fire red hair, but the beginning part needs to be done. So as you guys can see, it has faded out a little bit. So today I am going to get ready to just do a retouch using the L'Oreal Excellence High Color Dark for red hair, for dark hair. And I will show some of the products that I'm going to be using to wash my hair as well as get my hair blow dried. So if you are a new subscriber, welcome to my channel, and if you're an old subscriber, thank you so much for returning. Some of the items that I'm going to be using today is, like I said before, the High Color Excellence L'Oreal Reds for dark hair. Today I am using the Maui Moisture Hair Care. So this one is the Heal and Hydrate, which is for dry and damaged hair. I think that my ends have been really, they haven't been dry because I haven't been doing the blonde. But the red definitely keeps it fire, especially with like the braids, and then of course like the 2-strand twist and things like that. Leaving it in a ponytail, yes, that does dry my hair out quicker. But anyways, this is the shampoo and the conditioner. I also have another little bottle that I'm going to be using for my scalp that is the same one. So this one is the coconut, shea butter and macadamia oil. All right, so let's get started getting this touched up.
First things first, I wanted to go ahead and get Vaseline put around the edges just so that the red would not stick to my skin. Went ahead and got my hair down, and next I'm going to go ahead and build up the formula for the hair dye and the developer. So I'm using 40. You can use whichever one you want to use. It does not have to be 40. I'm also using that High Color Reds for dark hair. This is the Red Hot, and so I'm just going to mix it up in the mixing bowl, or I could either use my other tool here to do it if I felt like squeezing it, but you can use either tool. Going ahead, getting that Vaseline put on around the edges, and I am going to take my glasses off. I'm just showing where to apply it to, as you don't want it everywhere once you apply the red to your hair. I did use a trash bag that I am going to cut up as far as making sleeves, and then making a slit for the head to go through, so that I don't get this red dye on my shirt, or but mostly like not on my skin as well. Not really worried about the shirts, but I also have some clips that I'm going to go ahead and clip my hair up into 4 sections. This is what it comes with, and it also comes with the red liquid that goes with it. So you'll just mix it up and then go ahead and get ready to section your hair and put it in. When I dye my hair, I always like to section it in 4 first. That way I can work on one section at a time. I'm going to easily go ahead and put some gloves on and start with the sections in the back by starting at the roots instead of starting at the ends first. The ends are something that could be handled towards the end, or you could start with those if you choose. At this point, I have all the red in my scalp that I need, and I'm going to go ahead and start on the ends, and then I'll use the 2 clips to clip them together, and I will then use a shower cap for roughly about 30 minutes just to let it sit. Adding a shower cap just gives it extra heat so that it will take faster, whether you're doing blonde, whether you're doing a regular color. So I went ahead and set my timer. Timer was up, and I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hair out. I am using the Maui shampoo and conditioner. This one is the Shea Butter Moisture one. I will have it linked in my description box so that you guys can try it out. I'm just going to go ahead and shampoo my hair twice, and then I will condition it and get ready to put some other things in it once it is done getting washed, and then blow dry it. Now that I'm done washing my hair, I'm going to go ahead and get ready to blow dry it. But first I need to add some products. So I'm adding in the Aunt Jackie's buttercream coconut hair lotion. I'm also adding in the argan oil treatment just because I'm applying heat. And then I'm also using the little bottle of the Maui Shea Moisture product where it is applied on the scalp. And I'm also going to spray some olive oil spray in my hair just to help it with the heat from the blow dryer. I'm going to go ahead and just blow dry it out. And the good thing about this is that it wasn't too nappy to where I couldn't untangle it using the blow dryer. I was able to start at the root and just take it down towards the end without causing a bunch of damage to my hair.
Hey everyone, it's the next day and I did decide to wear my hair out after going ahead and doing a root touch-up and an end touch-up. As you guys can see, it is definitely that fiery red that I had before and wanted. You guys can tell from the roots that it was dyed red as well over top of the black. So yes, if you have black hair or brown hair, you can easily put red over top by simply following the steps in my video and doing it. So thank you all so much for watching this red hair root touch-up and refresh routine that I do every 3 to 6 months. I hope that you all give this video a thumbs up. I hope that you all consider subscribing to my channel and commenting down below if you would like to see hairstyles or what you would like to see me do with my hair, on my hair, or what kind of routines you would like to see with my hair.